Are you a master's degree holder sitting at home and thinking about, I really want to go do my PhD, I really want to study abroad, but I do not know how to go about it, I do not have the information about it? Well, in this video, I'm going to be breaking down for you 5 fully funded PhD scholarships for international students in 2022-2023 that you can apply to right now. We are going to be talking about scholarships to the UK, to the US, to Switzerland, to Hong Kong, and to Singapore. So if you are interested in any of these places, I'll advise you get a pen and a paper, take notes, and all the links to these scholarships are on my Twitter feed as Sylvie Watikum. Before we get right into it, where are y'all watching me from? Y'all know I'm always interested in knowing where are you all. Drop those flags in the comment section, let us know. I like the game of trying to guess where y'all are watching from. So just drop the flags, then I have to research what does this flag mean. So drop those flags in the comment section and I'm going to be doing my research and guessing where y'all are watching this from. Our first scholarship is the Swiss government scholarships for international students to go study in Switzerland. So this is a scholarship provided by the Switzerland government for international students, but the process actually starts in your country. So you have to consult with the Switzerland embassy in your country. If they have a website, you can check on your local embassy, see what the procedures to apply are, what the documents are, and also the eligibility. But most times you have to reach out to some professors in Switzerland, and then when they give you an okay, you can go ahead with the process. But do well to check with the Switzerland embassy in your country, and they are going to give you enough information about how you can go about the application process. Okay, if any part of this video bores you, please do not click off. There is a timestamp here, so you can just go to the next video, the next video, the next video, and each of the places in the timestamp introduces you to a new scholarship. So you can just go to the next, go to the next, and go to the next. Just don't click off, okay? Thank you. Okay, our second scholarship is the Gates Cambridge Scholarship. This is a scholarship for international students to go study in the UK. Are you thinking about the UK? Is the UK a place that you're interested in? You want to go study in? You all know I did a video some months ago about how the Boris Johnson government has introduced this new thing where if you do your masters in the UK, they give you 2 years study period, 2 years work period after that, and if you do your PhD, they give you 3 years work period after that. Maybe I'll put the video somewhere here. If you haven't checked it out, definitely go check it out. But those are the new rules. So don't look at the UK as a scary place to go study again. In this post-Brexit era that we are living in, I think that governments are trying to encourage, the British government specifically, the Boris Johnson government, they are trying to encourage us, bring in as much foreign talent as possible. So definitely do what the Gates Cambridge Scholarship is something that you can take advantage of. You can go study your PhD there, and after that you are sort of guaranteed that you will be there for like 3 years to work, and then after those 3 years you can decide if you want to keep staying in the UK or you can go somewhere else. But I think it's a great scholarship for you to definitely consider. Okay, are you all finding any value in this? If you are, please pretty please with a cheese, please do well to subscribe. Are you new to the channel? If you are, please do well to subscribe. And also, if you are old, welcome back. Thank you so much for coming back and checking new videos. I appreciate you. And then our third scholarship is the PhD in Peace Studies scholarships to Notre Dame University in the USA. I know that some of you may be thinking, oh, PhD in peace studies. I'm definitely not interested in studying anything about peace studies, but calm down, okay? This is actually a scholarship that targets students in the social sciences. So you may be a political science student, sociology student, anthropology student. As long as you're able to shape like your research proposal that has lead to something about peace, you all can apply for this. And this is a very interesting scholarship because most students who apply, if you are taken to the university, you already have a good chance of being taken to the scholarship. So if you're considering going to study in the USA, definitely check out this PhD in Peace Studies at Notre Dame University in the USA. Okay, everybody, there's a thumbs up are one of those things that don't cost you anything. Okay, so you'll just hit those thumbs up buttons. And I want you all also, if you have a friend, a brother, a sister, an auntie, an uncle, someone in your local church, someone in your local community, or some schools in your local community that you think that these students need information about studying abroad, about scholarships, please do well to recommend them the website learnhowtogetascholarship.com, and also recommend them the YouTube channel Learn How to get a scholarship, they can come here, and I keep giving them information about scholarships and study abroad opportunities. Our fourth scholarship is the Hong Kong PhD Fellowship Scheme. This is actually a scholarship for international students who wish to go study in Hong Kong. I always tell you all that most times I know people are interested in going to go study in those traditional study destination countries in the West and everything, but listen you guys, this particular scholarship in Hong Kong is extremely amazing. I've spoken to some fellows who had gotten the scholarship, and they spoke about their living conditions there and the scholarship itself and the value that you get studying there. I definitely encourage you all to check it out and consider just like apply for it. You're going to get a chance to learn a different culture, a different way of living, and trust me, you're going to be a way better human being if you go through living there, because it will be a new culture for you, right? It will definitely be a new culture for you, but you will be a way better person when you get through the process. So please do well to check out the Hong Kong PhD Fellowship Scheme. The deadline is around December 2021, so maybe you do not have a lot of time to get through your documents, but if you're able to just put up everything, like start working on it right now, I'm sure you'll be able to make it in time for the Hong Kong PhD Fellowship Scheme. And then the last request, my last request to y'all is, please, there is a share icon somewhere here or somewhere here. I like how I always miss it all the time. Sometimes I'm like, it's here but it's not here. Sometimes it's here, it's not here. It is somewhere here. So please do well to share the video. I know y'all are in WhatsApp groups, Facebook groups, Jangi groups, different kinds of groups. Please do well to share the video such that those in those groups can also be informed about the scholarships and they can check it out. Maybe they may have a friend or brother. I always say you may just be a vessel through which this information goes through. If it is not for you, be that vessel, drop it to the next person and keep it pushing. And then our last, fifth scholarship for today is the Singapore International Graduate Awards. This scholarship is usually called the Singer Awards. The Singer Awards, you see it everywhere. These are scholarships for international students to go study in Singapore. I was talking to a friend the other day and I was telling him about the scholarship, and I was like, you know, Singapore has many rules and regulations. You do not chew gum on the streets in Singapore. And he was like, huh? What? And I was laughing. Singapore is an amazing country. If you go there to study, you're going to learn so much. The rules are very different, but it's a beautiful country. You will really enjoy it. So do well to consider applying for the Singapore Awards, for the Singer Awards, Singapore International Graduate Awards. The deadline is in December 2021. So this video comes out when October, so you have October, November, and then by December you should have finished putting together your documents. So you have like 2-3 months to put together everything and go ahead and apply for the scholarship. Okay, I hope that you all get it. Let us have a conversation in the comment section. Are you all going to be applying for this scholarship? Which ones are you interested in? And also, y'all feel free to DM me. You can DM me. I respond to everybody's messages pretty much, but you can DM me on Instagram and I'm definitely going to reply to all of you. Thank you all so much for being here. I hope that you all remember these scholarships. I hope that it helps you in one way or the other. I'm going to see you all around. Cheers, everybody. Y'all take care.